There's something pretty ugly going on right now in XRP's chart. Something that could get confirmed in 24 hours. If you're holding XRP right now, then you need to be aware of this, and I want you guys to be prepared. I want you guys to have risk management. I want you guys to have the best strategy going forward. But I feel like this is something that I need to share with you. It's not the most bullish thing I've ever seen. I will admit that. It's something pretty ugly, pretty bearish, so to speak. Let's not waste time. Let's get into it. Don't forget to smash up the like button if you appreciate these videos. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so remember, this video, it's all about data. It's not about emotion. I'm just showing you what is right now happening in the chart, and I will also show you what I think is going to happen here in the near term future for XRP. So keep that in mind. This is XRP's weekly scale. Every candlestick here is 1 week, and on the left hand side you can see the bull run from 2018. Here we have the bull run from 2020, and on the right hand side of the screen the current bull cycle. In yellow we have the 200 weekly simple moving average. I talked about this a few times in the past few weeks here on the channel, but what is important to note there is that XRP is right now still trading below this moving average, and tomorrow guys, this weekly candlestick is going to close, and this will be the first weekly candle that XRP is then most likely going to close below the 200 weekly moving average. Only if we see a break above $2.50 that could invalidate this bearish weekly close for XRP, because that is the point where the 200 weekly moving average currently sits. So $2.50 is the line in the sand. If we break above, then this bearish signal could get invalidated. Now, the past few times that XRP closed below this moving average was actually very bearish. It happened here in 2021. The moment we closed 2 times, I would say, below that moving average, we had a huge bear market signal. Also here in 2022, huge bear market signal the moment XRP closed below with at least 2 weekly candles. Also here in 2024, the moment we closed below was actually a very bearish signal for XRP. So this is definitely something to take very serious. I'm not saying that if we close below tomorrow and the Sunday with this current weekly candle, then that the bear market is then confirmed. That's not what I'm saying. It is just a signal of caution. It is something to take seriously, because if we close at least with 2 weekly candles below, then yes, that could be a bear market signal for XRP. But as of right now, this is at least a warning signal that I need to spread out to you guys so that you are well prepared for what could potentially happen. Now, let me now present to you what I think is going to happen. This is also XRP's weekly time frame. Down below, we have the stochastic RSI. And typically, when the stochastic RSI enters oversold, so on the bottom side of the screen, that is a very lucrative buying opportunity. You can see the past 3 times that happened, a huge reversal happened for XRP in the following weeks, and right now we are once again oversold. So according to this indicator, it's very likely that XRP's trend is going to reverse anytime soon, hopefully today, tomorrow, or at least in this upcoming week for XRP. That would be a very likely scenario, since a lot of altcoins, as you have most likely already noticed, are currently pumping massively, such as ICP, Filecoin, and a few others. I spoke about them on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me over there. Also here, if we look at the short term for XRP, then we can see that price is getting compressed by this downward resistance line, downward support line. Looks like a falling wedge. It's a typical bullish reversal structure. So let's see if price can reverse to the upside. And also, if you look at the 2 hourly time frame, I spotted this W formation or double bottom. If we break the neckline above 235, then we could see a huge rally here in the short term to the upside for XRP. So there are always 2 sides of the coin, but this is a signal that you should monitor very closely, because we don't want to stay below $2.50 for too long. Also guys, if you're looking for an exchange to use, I would highly recommend Phemex, AscendEX, or WEEX. Use my links down below in the video description to benefit from huge discounts on trading fees, the lowest in the industry, if you use my links down below. And right now on AscendEX, you can use XRP as collateral when trading, which is absolutely massive. This is a new feature which which came out on AscendEX. So if you're interested in that, check it out, guys. Links down below. That was it, guys, for this XRP analysis. If this was helpful to you, like the video, of course. Once again, guys, wait for confirmation. I would say wait at least for 2 weekly candles below this 50-week simple moving average. If we see that, then yes, the signal is confirmed. We need to break $2.50 to the upside to invalidate any potential bearishness here in the coming weeks, in the coming months for XRP. So watch that very closely. For now, I'm still bullish. I'm still holding on to all my altcoins. If you want to stay up to date with my own trading strategy with additional crypto updates, XRP updates, follow me over on Instagram, official link down below. Check it out. For now, I want to thank you all for watching, for the support. See you very soon in another XRP update. Bye bye.